Very good morning to all of you. Myself, Professor Navigankar Mirza from Maulana Mukhtar and Mahmood Technical Campus. In previous lecture number 24, we have started unit number 3, that is dimension analysis and model studies. We have seen what is the importance of dimension analysis to study the mathematical models or techniques which makes a use of aid to the various several civil engineering problems or several engineering problems in you say. So each physical phenomena can be expressed by equation. तो कोई भी तबई जो चेंजेस है या फिनोमेना है उसको हम एक्सप्रेस करते हैं इक्वेशन के जरिए एंड दैट इक्वेशन कंपोज्ड ऑफ many physical quantities which may be dimensional or which may be non-dimensional. Okay, and the analysis, dimensional analysis gives us solution to these problems. Okay, so there are uses, different uses of dimensional analysis we have seen in previous class. The uses are yes. Yes, the uses are the testing the dimensional homogeneity of an equation, and also we have seen the one of the example in this class on that, and deriving the equation expressed in terms of non-dimensional parameters, so that the relative significance of each parameter can be find out, and the planning model test and presenting experimental result in a systematic manner is only happen by the dimensional analysis. In terms of non-dimensional parameters, thus making it possible to analyze the complex fluid flow phenomena. So in previous class, we have solved one example also. Okay. And this is nothing but the content we have seen in the previous class. In second number, then we have given a Diwali leave and vacation, and after that we are coming to this. So this already we have seen in the previous class, and the dimensional homogeneity of this discharge equation we have seen. The area into velocity is nothing but discharge. The right hand side and left hand side of the equation, their dimensions are same. So you can see the equation from the equation, the third and this fourth, is nothing but third and second. You can see L cube by T, that is volume per second. Here also cube by T, both the dimension at right hand side and the left hand side are same. So you can say that it's the dimensional homogeneity. And also we have seen the example of Lassie's formula, weighted parameter. Parameter is measured in a meter, but you can see the right hand side that is the under root of discharge, and discharge is measured in the volume upon time. So you can see in case of Lassie's formula, there is no dimensional homogeneity. There is no dimensional homogeneity. Okay. So in the previous class we have seen. Today we will see this, and then also we have seen the methods of the dimensional analysis, relay methods, and the Buckingham's phi theorem. In previous class we have seen this relay method, how to find out the relay method, that a is the function of x, y and z in 3 dimension. So A is equal to k times x upon a, y to the power b and z to the power of c. Okay, z to the power of c. Then x is expressed in the basic dimension, that is length, mass, and time second. Okay, so that you have seen in previous class. So that is y and z also, and then a is nothing but this area. Area is measured in length into length, L square m0 t0. Then you equate with this. Then you have three equations you can get. Three equation and three unknowns are there, so you can easily solve that type of equation. But the drawback is that in relay method, more than four equations or variables are there, which is very difficult to solve the find out the or solve the equations. Okay, so it is not suitable uh, or advisable the relay method. And the second method we will see today, that is nothing but uh, second method is nothing but you can say is the Buckingham pi theorem or Buckingham pi equation. Okay. So there are two methods of dimensional analysis. First is relay method. First is the relay method, and that is already we have discussed in the previous class. And second one is the Buckingham's 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 pi theorem. Buckingham's pi theorem. Okay. For today is 8th of November 21. Okay. And this is lecture number 26. So in relay method we have seen that we have to make the equations, and then we have to make equation we have to solve with mathematical equation we have to solve. If three unknowns are there, three equations there, so you can solve. If two unknowns are there, two equations are there, then you can be able to solve. But in case the equation is large, four equations and four unknowns, or five equations and five unknowns, it is very difficult and time consuming. So therefore, the relay method is not advisable, since so that we are going for the Buckingham's pi theorem. So second method is Buckingham's pi method. So that is nothing but the dimensional analysis. Dimensional analysis. Okay. So in Buckingham's pi theorem, it states that, or you can write on the definition of Buckingham's pi theorem. It states that, so I will write on the Buckingham's pi theorem. If I write down in short form, the pi theorem states that if there are m number of fundamental dimensions, if there are m number of fundamental dimensions, that is basic dimension, the length, mass, and t is time. Okay, these are generally basics or fundamental dimensions we are considering. Basic dimensions or fundamental dimensions. Another, they are area, volume, velocity. These are derived from these basic fundamental dimensions. Okay, involved in a phenomena is nothing but the moving fluid, it may be the discharge to the weir, okay, involved in a phenomena controlled by n number of variables, n numbers of variables. Then the phenomena can be described by then the phenomena can be described by can be described by can be described by n minus m independent dimensionless groups, independent dimensionless groups known as pi terms, known as pi terms, known as pi terms. So statement. This is the statement for the Buckingham's pi theorem. Okay, it states that okay. So state that if there are m number of fundamental dimensions, or basic dimension, it may be done in terms of length, in terms of mass, in terms of time, involved in the phenomena controlled by n number of variables. The variables may be n number of variables. Then the phenomena can be described n minus m independent dimensional groups known as pi terms. तो स्टेटमेंट आपको समझ में आएगा जब हम एग्जांपल सॉल्व करेंगे, इट विल बी अंडरस्टैंडेबल। ये क्या बोल रहा है कि अगर n नंबर ऑफ बेसिक डायमेंशंस हैं, जैसे कि लेंथ है, मास है, टाइम है, इन्वॉल्व इन फेनोमेनन controlled by n number of variables. So phenomena है, कोई भी phenomena है, it may be discharge, it may be velocity, it may be another parameters of phenomena. So that is controlled by n number of variables. There are n number of variables. Then the phenomena can be described by n minus m. n is the basic fundamental dimensions. Okay, so it is described by n minus m independent dimensionless groups, and then dimensionless groups are called as pi terms. That is nothing but your pi theorem. In the application of this method, n number of variables are chosen. So you have to choose n number of variables are chosen. Then these repeating variables along with one of the remaining variables will form one pi term, and similarly other pi terms are formed. Repeating variables will be 2 if n is 2, or 3 if n is 3. This method is also known as repeating variable method. So this method is also known as repeating variable method. So Buckingham pi method is also called as term here. It's also called as repeating variable method. So there are some rules. So we will Remember that rules. Okay, you can write on. Uh, Rules should be followed in selecting repeating variable. So how to select? How to select repeating variable? Repeating variable. Okay. First, they must have amongst themselves all basic dimensions involved in the phenomenon. They must have, they must have amongst, amongst themselves, 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 all basic dimensions, all basic dimensions involved, involved, involved in the phenomena, in the okay, in the second rule to be followed by selecting the repeating variable is dependent variable must not be chosen as repeating variable. So those they are dependent variables, डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल्स किसको बोलेंगे हम लोग? जो डिपेंड है किसके ऊपर, वेरिएबल है ना. जैसे एरिया, दो लेंथ चाहिए हमको मेजर करने के लिए, लेंथ इनटू लेंथ इज एरिया. हाँ, so area is dependent on length. Okay, so dependent variables must not chosen as repeating variable. जो repeating variables है उसको नहीं चूज करना. ओके, तो तीसरा जो रूल है कि repeating variables, this is we are studying the Buckingham phi theorem. So repeating variables must consist of a length parameter representing geometry of phenomenon, representing geometry of phenomena. Second, flow parameter, that is velocity. Flow parameter, that is velocity. Two basic parameters are there, length and time. Third one, fluid property parameter. Fluid property parameters, it means that density parameters, that is density and viscosity, etc. Density, viscosity, etc. Okay, so this, while going for the Buckingham phi theorem, these rules you should remember. Okay, what is the rules? Rules are, they must have amongst themselves all the basic dimensions involved in the phenomena. Dependent variables must not chosen on as a repeating variable. डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल है, इसको रिपीटिंग वेरिएबल नहीं चूज करना है. उसके बाद रिपीटिंग वेरिएबल मस्ट कंसिस्ट ऑफ लेंथ, वेलोसिटी एंड fluid property parameter, it may be density or viscosity. To solve one example, then you will come to know how useful is the your Buckingham's pi theorem. Example number one, write down. Write down. My sound is clear, I think so. Are you there? I expect you are there first in the meeting. Okay. So very dry subject is there, no issue, but you have to study continuously. Only then you can able to understand. Okay. There the gap between the lectures that also leads to understanding of the subject. Okay. Write down. Discharge Q over rectangular weir depend on discharge Q over rectangular weir depends on head over weir that is H. Acceleration due to gravity that is G. Length of weir L. Length of weir that is L. Height of weir crest that is depends upon channel bottom that is Z. Mass density denoting the rho, and dynamic viscosity and dynamic viscosity This is question as we are writing. And dynamic viscosity generally we are denoting by the mu. Okay. Of liquid. By dimensional analysis, find Q. By dimensional analysis, find Q. Q means discharge. Find discharge. And charge in terms of dimensionless parameters. Now here you have to use Buckingham's pi theorem. Buckingham's pi theorem. So we will use solve this example by using Buckingham's pi theorem. How to make the dimensional models. How to find out the discharge. So we get that. Okay. One by one we will see. So you know that your discharge is depend on the head over wear, acceleration due to gravity, length of the wear, z that is depend on the channel bottom, z rho that is the mass density, and the mu the dynamic viscosity. Your discharge will depend on these parameters. So I will write down. Discharge is a function of, as per given data, as per given data, Q is the discharge and it's a function of, I will write down function of, Q is a function of H, G, L, Z, rho, mu. Okay? So you know that H head, you know this acceleration due to gravity, length of wear, bottom Z of the wear, mass density, and the viscosity. So your discharge depend on these functions. So discharge is a function of these terms. So if you write down, that is nothing but Q H G L Z rho and mu. You will take one side, it will be equal to 0. So how many number of variables you can see here? Here number of variables. So n number of variables. N is equal to number of variables. How many variables we have seen here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So number of variables are 7. Okay. In all this you can see in which fundamental dimensions are length, mass and time. They are involved. How many involved? Involved are 3. So 3 fundamental dimensions are. So what is the value of m? M is equal to 3. Now, how many pi terms needed? Pi terms needed, that is n minus m pi terms required. Okay, so we know the n is 7, basic or fundamental dimension, that is 3. So how many pi terms will be required? Required to solve this example or to make dimensional equations, that we need 4 pi terms. So you can write down, that is pi 1, pi 2, pi 3 and pi 4. So 4 pi terms are needed because 7 number of variables are there and basic or fundamentals dimensions are 3 and they are nothing but length, mass and time. Now you can see here head, that is H, acceleration due to gravity, that is G, and mass density, that is rho, are chosen as repeating variables. Repeating variables. So here H, rho and G, they are chosen as the repeating variables, and one from remaining variable is taken to form a pi form, and one from remaining variables remaining variables is taken to form a pi form or a pi term. If I will take one by one, so h, g and rho, they are common. So we have the variable h, g, l, z, q, h, g, l, z, rho and mu. So you can see here we have taken the repeating variables. How many? Three. Which one? Repeating variable. This h we have taken repeating variable. This g we have taken repeating variable, and this mass density rho we have taken as a repeating variables. Repeating variables. Okay. Now shall I write down the pi terms? Pi form. So if I write down pi 1 h a g b rho c, and we'll see the take a q is charge first. Then second pi term, because we need n minus n pi terms, है ना? N is the total number of variables. Okay, m is the fundamental dimensions or fundamental variables, and pi terms are n minus m, that is 7 minus 3 is 4. Okay, so pi 1, then pi 2 again h a g b to the power of, and here we will take length L. Pi 3 will take h a g to the power of b, rho to the power of c, and then we'll take the bottom of your z, and fourth pi term, pi 4 will be h a g b and rho c, and mu, that is this question. Now we have chosen three basic variables. Now, repeating variables h, g and rho. This we have chosen as a repeating variables. Okay. Okay. And then pi terms for the discharge, for the length, for the bottom head, and for the viscosity. Now we will take one by one. For pi 1 is equal to L0, M0, T0 equal to, okay, H is L to the power of A, acceleration due to gravity is Lt minus 2 to the power B, and rho is the mass density n L minus Q into C, into discharge, that is volume per time to L T minus 1. Okay, this is first pi term equating for L. So if you equating for L, first equating for L, what it will be? equal to, now the power of L is A, here A, plus power of L here is B, power of L here is minus 3C, okay, 3 into C is 3C, plus here L cube, that is 3. So that is for L. For M, if I will write down M, it is M here in term of H is 0. Okay. Okay. Plus B here also M is 0, plus T, you can see here also no M term is there, so M only power is 1 here, so it is 1C, means 1C, if you write, that is nothing but C, 1C. Okay, and again this discharge, there is no involved, so C is equal to 0. Now we will see for time, for T, waiting for T. So here also H, there is no term, so it is 0. Here T is minus 2B, 0, 0, minus 2B. Then here also there is no T term. Here T term is there in discharge, that is minus 1. Okay, that is minus 1. So if I will write down, so B is equal to 1 by, B is equal to minus 1 by 2. Okay. So B is equal to minus 1 by 2. Similarly, so you can find out the value of C is equal to 0, B is equal to minus 1 by 2. So you can able to find out the value of A. So if you put this value A is equal to in here, this term, B is minus 1 by 2, minus 3 into C is 0, plus 3. So it will be 3 minus 1 by 2. So it is the in which 6 minus 1 upon 2. It is nothing but 5 by 2. It is nothing but 5 by 2. Minus 5 by 2. Minus 6 plus minus 3. 0 जाएगा plus 3. So if I write down the first pi term, so pi 1 will be equal to H to the power of A is pi by 2. Then second term here is G to the power of B. B is nothing but minus 1 by 2. And then rho is the power of C, it is 0. Q is the power of 1. While it is 1. Okay? If write down this, so it will be written as Q upon upon h square under root of gh. So this is the first part in terms of the charge. You can see it. You can find out by the pi dimensional analysis. Let us see pi 2. Pi 2 will be L0 M0 T0 is equal to L into A. G is LT minus 2 into B. M L minus 3, that is rho into C, into will take here in terms of length. To write down for L, it will be A plus B minus 3C plus 1. इसी तरह we write down for M 0 plus 0 plus C plus 0, so C is equal to 0. Similarly, for T, that is time, you can see it is 0. So here, no T term, 0 plus T term is there, minus 2B. So here, that is not plus, that is second term will be minus 2, this one, minus 2B. The exponential term we are taking, okay, minus plus about minus 2B. Because T term is not there, here also not, here not, so 0, 0. So that is minus 2B is equal to, that is minus 2B is equal to 0, so B is equal to 0, B is equal to also 0. Okay, now you know this B is equal to 0, C is equal to 0, you can find out A is equal to E0, C is equal to 0, so A is equal to minus 1, A is equal to minus 1. So this 1 will be come here, so this will be the minus 1. So if you write down the equation, that is pi 2, that is h to the power of minus 1, g, that is b is 0, rho, that is c is also 0, length is 1. So if you write down this, so L upon h is the pi 2 term. Okay. Similarly, you have to find out pi 3 term. Okay. L0, M0, T0 is equal to L to the power A, LT minus 2 to the power of B, ML minus 3 to the power of C, and here in case of L, you will take Z. Similarly, same will happen as above. L is equal to A plus B minus 3C plus 1. Here M term हम अगर लिखेंगे not equal to this is, or M is 0 plus 0 plus C plus 0, so C is equal to 0. Now in terms of time t, if you write down, then 0 is equal to 0 minus 2b plus 0 plus 0, that is b is equal to 0. Okay. Now a you can find out, a is equal to here also minus 1 by putting the value. So pi 3 will be h to the power of minus g to the power of 0, rho to the power of 0, that is c is 0, and z, so z upon h will be the pi 3 term. Similarly, you have to find out phi fourth term. Okay, L0 N0 T0 is equal to L to the power of A, LT minus 2 to the power of B, ML minus Q to the power of C, and mu. And mu, you know, mu is nothing but M upon LT. Okay, viscosity. You know. So here, if you write down in case of the length, it will be 0 is equal to A plus B minus 3C minus 1. Similarly, in terms of M, if you write down 0 is equal to 0 plus C plus 1. So C is equal to minus 1. Now in terms of time, if you write down 0 is equal to 0 minus 2B plus 0 minus 1, it is B is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now you can find out the A. Okay? Put all this A or C and B value in A. It is 0 is equal to A minus B is minus 2. C is minus 1. Minus 3 into minus 1 and minus 1. So A will be half plus 1 minus 3. Okay. Okay. So it will be 3 by 2 minus 3. Okay. Is equal to 3 minus 6 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 2. So A is minus 3 by 2. Now we will write down in terms of our phi 3. So A is minus 3 by 2, B is minus 1 by 2, and C is minus 1. If you write down phi 4 terms, H minus 3 by 2, G minus 1 by 2, and rho minus 1, and then your mu. So if you write down this equation in case of phi 4 term, so it is equal to mu upon h to the power of 3 by 2, g half and rho. So you can write down this mu is the h rho g under root of, alright, this g will be the half, that is under root of gh. So this will be the vacuum by analysis of your dimension analysis. So likewise, you have to calculate these types of example. Ask in the examination. So there are different examples I will share you and in the textbook also. So you can able to calculate or solve or analyze dimensional analysis by using the by Ingram's pi theorem. Okay. So if you have any question, you can ask it me, or otherwise we can stop here. Okay. Any question? पूछना है तो आप पूछ सकते हैं, otherwise we will stop here. So our from tomorrow, if I am able to take the lecture, I am not able to take lecture for 2 weeks. I will be on looking for my some PhD work in Mumbai. Then I will join the college. I will inform to you, and then you have to join whatever mode of our lecture, it may be physical class or it may be that online, so you should join and continue the classes. Okay. If practical work will start, then we will start that also. Before joining, we stop here.